Hey guys, and welcome to another segment of Rowserworld. Today, what we're going to be doing is teaching you how to draw the basic head shape. Okay, so here's some common head shapes for us to work from. We're going to start with our guy, big guy right here. So here are a few pointers you can use for simplifying the head shape so you can see it easily. Number one, you can squint your eyes when you're looking at your subject or at your picture so that it distorts the facial features and you don't get distracted by it. Number two, you can look for points of reference, meaning that if you have A, B, and C, right? If you have A and C, you can see where B is better in relation to the two of those points. So use that geometry lesson I just gave you and help you in your drawing. Okay, so now we're going to put the chin, and this is what I call the all alone on the island chin. Yes, caution, never use this shape with the ladies. It could mean the end of your career as a caricaturist. The Women Network. Going to add crosshairs here. So this breaks everything down into boxes. It uncomplicates things. And X always marks the spot. Just going to throw a little mouth in here real quick. Okay. And that is going to be the end of our first shape. And we'll just call him the all alone on the island chin guy. Okay, so our next shape is going to be the classic oval shape. It's a pretty common shape with the for faces, and it's associated with attractiveness. I actually saw that on Brain Games the other day. What a fact. So it's not really important where you begin in your caricature. This particular caricature grabbed me from the bottom, but each artist is going to see it differently. So remember, just smoothness and relaxation. Okay, now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to make the hair shape and the face shape interact. Hair should be thought of as a wig that doesn't come off in most cases. So think shape, wearing a hairpiece. Think of a shape kind of wearing a headpiece. They are separate things and should be drawn as separate shapes. Now let's go ahead and put our crosshairs, our neat boxes. You want to do this with a pencil at first, but you want to ultimately get to a point where you do it in your head. Everything is always better in the head. And now we're going to end shape 2 here. And we're going to begin here with our third shape. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start from the bottom of the shape. I'm going to add the ear shape in here. This is just kind of how this picture came to me. Now I'm going to draw the top of my shape. Once again, this is my shape without its wig on. I think I'm wigging out. All right, so now we're going to make the hair interact with the face shape. Remember, what is our wig shape? How does that fit on the head? And am I wigging out? I'm just messing with you. All right. So guys, I want to take this time to thank you so much for watching our video and our tutorial. We'll be posting more videos and tutorials soon. If you thought this video was pretty cool, go ahead and check out these 2 other videos. They're going to be popping up to the side in just a minute. Don't forget to share. And also, guys, please don't forget to subscribe below. Have an awesome evening.